Hello, and welcome to TaxCloud, your guided, cost-effective online platform for processing your business's R&D tax credit claim. Today, I will give you a brief tour of TaxCloud, showing you how our platform will enable you to quickly and easily make your claim. Once you've logged in, you will start at the claim management page. Each claim follows your accounting period. From this section, you can add and manage your claims, as well as download the PDF reports of your completed claims. To start a claim, simply click Add. For each claim, you will be assigned a technical consultant and a cost and tax associate who will be on hand within business hours to answer any questions you may have. You can reach them via the online chat facility, or if you prefer, by phone and email. Let's jump into a demo claim I've already created to see what's involved in making your claim. TaxCloud splits the claim into 5 simple steps: projects, personnel costs, other costs, technical report, and submitting a claim. Each step unlocks in order as you progress through the claim. At the top of each page is a help icon, providing detailed guidance for the page you're on. From this page, we can add projects that were in progress during the claim period. We can also review the projects that have already added. Let's take a look at one of those projects. Here, you will provide headline information on your project. If you flag your project as ongoing, you'll be given the option to import the project into any subsequent claim. You'll notice that we have contextual help available for specific fields, providing further advice and in some cases giving examples to demonstrate how to structure your answer. When you've completed all sections, you can submit your project for approval. At this point, your technical consultant will review the project and, if required, provide you with advice and guidance. When they're happy your project meets HMRC guidelines, they will approve your project, unlocking the personnel cost section. In personnel costs, we capture the PAYE details of your R&D staff costs and apportion them to your qualifying projects. You can import your payroll via Xero or manually enter the costs for your R&D personnel. You only need to add PAYE details of the staff that are involved in the R&D projects, capturing for the accounting period their gross salary, employer NI, employer pension contribution, and any reimbursed expenses. Once you've captured all the relevant staff costs, you can start to apportion these to the various R&D projects. To assign personnel to a project, select the project and assign the relevant staff to the project. Then simply apportion the time spent on the project over the course of the accounting period as a percentage. Once completed, you will unlock the other costs section. This section captures and assigns the other eligible R&D costs. Once again, you can import costs directly from Xero or enter them manually. There are 4 categories of additional costs that are allowable as R&D expenditure: subcontractors, externally provided workers, software, and consumable items. If you're entering manually, don't worry, you don't need to enter all supplier invoices separately. We just require the net amount spent per supplier in the accounting period. Just like the personnel section, to apportion costs, simply select the project and assign the relevant costs to the project. Then, simply apportion the percentage of the cost that applies to this project. If you want to see how this breaks down as eligible expenditure, just click on the Preview Cost Schedule. Here, you can review your costs and how they translate into eligible expenditure per project. The last data entry section is Technical Report. Here, following our process and guidance, you will build a detailed narrative on your R&D activity to support your claim. Information provided during the project stage is brought forward to avoid any duplicated effort. To get started, select the relevant project and complete the 5 sections utilizing the contextual help and guidance. When completed, you can submit your technical report for approval. Our technical consultant will review the report and, if required, offer advice and guidance. When they're happy the information provided satisfies HMRC's requirement, they will approve the technical report, at which point you'll be able to hit Submit Claim. Submitting a claim does not send it to HMRC. It submits it to our cost and corporate tax team, who will now review your costing data, validate it against the detailed financial statements, ensuring your claim is maximised. They will also prepare an amended company's annual tax return and submit it to HMRC on your behalf, all included as part of the service. And if required, we'll assist in answering any questions HMRC may have. Oh, and just one last thing before you go. If you worry how much your tax credit could be, or how much it will cost to use TaxCloud, simply scroll down our homepage to the R&D Tax Credit Calculator. Just fill in the boxes, click Calculate My Savings, and it will tell you how much you could receive back and what the fee for using TaxCloud will be. Our fees are only payable once your claim has been processed by HMRC, so it is risk-free. So that was a brief overview of TaxCloud, and I hope you found it useful. To get started using TaxCloud, just click the Sign Up button in the top right-hand corner. If you have any further questions or would like a more in-depth demo, please feel free to get in contact via our website. Thank you for your time.